also don't forget to subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter so you know what's going on with my broadcasts, and check out my old stuff on YouTube at
The
youtube.com/rrthefuryx.
nuke! They have a nuclear weapon with them?
You didn't find their continuing presence here unusual? Even with the president as hostage, this is
Shout
an
out
island,
to
and they have no visible
the
means
3
of
other
escape.
people that's in chat.
Even if they do have a nuke, the warhead is no good without an access code. The security lockout can't be bypassed.
They don't need to. They have the code.
I remember a time when I used to be able to sit
You
for
saw it too, I believe. The Navy man
more
with
than
half a
5
handcuff.
hours. Probably like 6
The
or
other half of
7.
it is on a football
Just playing
or
video
the blank
games.
case if you
I
like.
can barely
The
stand
nuclear
4.
button.
Who cares? Mr. Krabs, let me safe so I can go to bed.
Why did they have to bring...
Oh lord. It's the Metal Gear.
Metal Gear?
Metal Gear story. It's Metal Gear portion. Slowly but surely the wool is being pulled away from the eyes.
What's this for?
You might be glad you have it. Keep the controller's vibration function on.
What do I need a cell phone for?
You were just Batman.
Colonel, who is that man?
What's up, Jack?
What's up? I'm saving. That's what's up.
Got a minute, Jack?
Rose?
I found some information on where Solid Snake is interred.
Great. Shoot.
I've located the gravesite.
And the body?
Exhumed for DNA testing.
Well, do you have the results?
The right arm was missing, but there was no doubt that it was him.
It was a liquid. As you can see, it's about 4:18 a.m. I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep. So, with that being said, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for watching. Again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Follow me on Twitter at TheFuryX. Check out my YouTube at youtube.com/rrthefuryx. That's rrthefuryx. And maybe I'll broadcast tomorrow. Who knows? But until then, see you later.
Rated A for awesome.